It's me, Nash, and this is Miss Nicole Bozeman. Say hey, lady.
Hey guys, what's up? We got something for you guys. Tags, hashtags, and topics. What?
That's going to be our next live. We'll be going live this Saturday. So make sure that you are connected with us. Okay? Don't miss our live. It will be at 11:30 Central Time.
12:30 Eastern Standard Time, guys.
So make sure that you don't miss it. We want to make sure that you make it.
Tags, hashtags, and topics.
Mm.
We're going to talk about all that yummy stuff and how you can use those to promote as a content creator.
Now, once we talk about tags, hashtags, and everything else that you need to know to make sure that you get the audience that you need, we need to make sure that you are also engaging with us. So once you see this reel, make sure you comment where you're watching from. Don't forget to make sure you're connected to both of us. If you see the follow button, hit it. If you see it and it already says you're following, hit it again and make sure it says favorites for both myself, Dominique Nash, and Nicole Bozeman. We'll see you soon.
We'll see you soon. Bye.
Join us today in this group and make sure that you get monetized and pay for your content. See you guys on Saturday.